If you have a small crack in a concrete patio or driveway, you will want to fill it to prevent further damage. This DIY video will guide you through repairing a crack that is 1/2 inch wide or smaller. For this project, you will need self-leveling concrete repair caulk, a caulk gun, a trowel or screwdriver, a metal brush, gloves, and a small air compressor or a wet-dry vacuum. First, you need to clean the area that needs repaired. With the trowel or screwdriver, scrape any small pieces of concrete and debris out of the crack. Take the metal brush and brush along the crack to remove the finer pieces. Then use your air compressor or vacuum to remove any remaining dirt or debris. Now that the area is clean, you're ready to caulk. Slowly move along the length of the crack as you squeeze the caulk into the space. If the caulk sinks into the crack, you can go over the spot again so that it is level with the patio or driveway. Follow the instructions on the caulk for proper curing times. In most cases, it is 24 hours before you can walk on it and up to a week before it can be exposed to water.